Customink is an online platform that provides custom t-shirt and apparel printing services. They cater to individuals, small businesses, and organizations looking to create personalized, unique clothing items. By partnering with Customink, you can make money online in 2024 by following these step-by-step guidelines for beginners. 1. Research and identify your niche. Determine the specific market or audience you want to target. This could be based on interests, hobbies, events, or demographics. Understanding your niche will help you create relevant and appealing designs. 2. Design eye-catching and unique products. Use Customink's design tools or create your own designs using external software. Focus on creating high-quality, visually appealing designs that resonate with your target audience. 3. Set up your Customink account. Create a seller account on Customink's website. This will allow you to access their platform and tools for designing and selling your custom products. 4. Open your online store. Customink provides the option to create your own online store, where you can showcase your designs and products. This store will serve as your online presence and a platform for customers to purchase your custom items. 5. Promote your store and products. Utilize social media platforms, online forums, and other marketing channels to promote your store and designs. Engage with potential customers, share your designs, and build a following. 6. Offer promotions and discounts. Attract customers by offering limited-time promotions, discounts, or bundle deals on your products. This can help increase sales and generate interest in your store. 7. Provide excellent customer service. Ensure that you respond promptly to customer inquiries, address concerns, and handle returns or exchanges professionally. Positive customer experiences will lead to repeat business and word-of-mouth referrals. 8. Analyze and optimize your sales strategy. Regularly review your sales data and customer feedback to identify trends and areas for improvement. Use this information to refine your product offerings, marketing strategies, and overall approach to selling on Customink. 9. Expand your product line and target audience. As you gain experience and build your customer base, consider expanding your product offerings and targeting new niches. This will help you maintain growth and keep your business fresh and relevant. 10. Stay updated on industry trends. Keep an eye on new trends, technologies, and opportunities within the custom apparel industry. This will help you stay ahead of the competition and adapt your business to evolving market demands. By following these steps, you can create a successful online business with Customink, offering customized apparel and t-shirts to customers in various niches and markets.